all of your leads, listings, and closings will show up on your home page. Listings and closings all begin with a buyer or seller lead. Here's how to create a lead to appear on the home page. Start by clicking on Make Transaction. From here you have two choices. You can look up an existing client in your database, or you can create a new contact by entering in their contact information. Once you have taken either one of these steps, you will click on Buyer or Seller, and they will then appear as a lead on your home page. Let's use an existing contact in our database. We will now select Buyer, and their transaction window will appear. From here you can begin entering information for them. If they are simply a new lead, go back to the home page, where you will now see them under the Leads section. Remember, if you entered listing information for them, they will appear under the Listing section, and if you entered closing information for them, they will appear under the Contract section. Now, what if your contact is both a buyer and a seller? Well, you can create multiple transactions for the same contact. Click on Make Transaction, pull up the contact again, and now select them as a seller. Their transaction window will appear, and if we go back to the home page, you'll see that this person is now a buyer and a seller lead. Each of these transactions can now be managed independently, and they will both be linked back to the original contact record. So if we were to go back to our contacts and pull up this person in our contact record, you'll see that links to their contract history have already been created. These links will always go to the current transaction status of the contact, whether it be a lead, a listing, under contract, or a closed contract.